Okay, we are live. I'm pretty sure. Yep, good to go. All right, folks, welcome back to the show. Thursday, May 28th, all day. Uh, Pretty interesting market we got ahead of us, I think. Uh, we'll get into a quick analysis here before the market opens. Let's just get the right screen going here. We'll start off on the monthly time frame. It's screaming bullish, absolute no man's land. We got that extension DML to the top. We're already well past the core. So the monthly bodes bullish. The weekly did hit its extension there, but we have a lot of support underneath. And with the data that has come out this morning, which a couple of them blew it right out of the water. So we've got bullish economic data for some tailwind. I'm expecting this market personally to. I think I'm expecting it to move to the upside. We're above that big round 30,000 level, so for me, I'll be looking for the classic pullback slash safe spot to get in. Hopefully, we don't just rip right from the gate because it's always tough to deal with, but we do it sometimes. Uh, and the
Right?
daily here, yeah, exactly. Eh? The daily here, we took a dip overnight. We hit that daily support pocket there. You can see, and we've pushed strongly out of it. So, I mean, anything can happen, but right now I'm definitely on the bullish side. What do you think, Rick?
Yeah, no, pretty much right alongside with you. Like you said, the monthly is up there. It can go wherever it wants. I mean, it's got plenty of room. And yeah, we pulled it back a little bit on the weekly, and so we still got today and tomorrow for that to finish up for the weekly bar. And on today, it looks like Asia and London tried to fill that gap from Sunday and Monday, that big huge gap up that we had. They missed it by about 100 points, but that was like a 400 and something point gap. So, the market does what it does. It does what it do, and tried to close that gap. So now and we cruised right back up to the top of the envelope there. So it looks like the daily's in congestion or trying to be in congestion. And right now, this minute looks like it might be pulling back a little bit, maybe towards the middle of the envelope there at that nice round 30,000 number that everyone likes those nice round numbers. So yeah, we'll see. We got like 5 minutes. Looks like we're just starting to get a little bit of vibration and volatility in this current bar here. So yeah, I'm
Yeah,
looking forward to. I'm looking for some upside for sure. It seems that nothing can stop this market. Only just temporary little rests, and then it wants to rip up some more. So, and if we got good numbers from things like consumer confidence and stuff like that, yeah, the money will be there for sure. Liquidity will be flowing.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
let's do
Good.
it. Let's have a great day,
Yeah,
man.
regardless, I think we'll get some volatility today. I definitely don't expect a sleeper day. So
No, 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 I don't think
yeah,
so. I
get
think
get. Yeah, go ahead.
no, no, I think you're right. I think we're gonna at least get up to probably my guess, if I had to guess, and it was somewhere around 300, 30,300. That would be my goal or my guess.
Yeah, I mean we've already been there before previously this week, so it's
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But for
if
today, that's where
if
that
we've
core
already been there
DML is
before,
on the
yeah, if we've already been there before, it's not out of the question to get back there again.
right, 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 right.
Yeah,
Yeah, but yeah, that's where that core DML is sitting right there at 30,300 almost exactly. And so knowing what we know about VolPro Edge and about the indicator and things like that, that's a pretty reasonable target to hit. And then we'll see how things, form up from there. But yeah, it's looking good, man.
yeah. So I ideally, um, just to give our viewers a little bit of a visual. I mean, we got the
Yep.
open here in about three and
Yeah.
a half minutes or so. But
Yes, sir.
so if we go to the VPE chart, so the 50,000 here, this one's not far off from closing. You can see it's almost pushing 47,000. So we got 3,400 contracts to go, which is not very many. That can happen very quickly. We got these DMLs here. So if the new bar opens up anywhere up here, which I suspect it will, then I think we're definitely game for a push up. Kind of. I'm just trying to get the drawing tool here. Ninja doesn't have like adequate drawing tools. I tried to mess around with it last night, just so we
Yeah,
could give
yeah.
our viewers like better explanations and visuals.
Mm-hmm.
But it's not that good, man. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, dude.
But yeah, we could get a
I found that
move.
like TradingView has some amazing drawing tools and so easy and intuitive to use. I just don't use it because of it doesn't have volume charts and it doesn't have a couple other things. It's funny, there's no one platform that has everything. They all kind of have a little
I
piece of it,
know.
don't they?
Yeah, it's great, and that's why I'm not explaining this on TradingView right now because I'm trying to use the VPE volume charts, right?
Yep,
So,
yep.
but yeah, if this, I mean, it's not doesn't need to be that fat, but I don't know why it won't let me make a skinnier one. But yeah, I'm expecting kind of something like this, maybe with a little bit of a pullback down to here at the open, and then rip up. But we'll
Hmm.
we will see what we get. As always, our job is to read and react to what we're seeing. So
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it looks like over on VolProEdge.com in the day trading chat, looks like, yeah, Andy's looking at the same thing, pullbacks and um, especially if the 50K chart, closes where it's at here above the extension DML and, up near anywhere, above the top of the envelope or something like that. That's a good strong close for this bar. It would indicate that we're ready to rip.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
we got to be pretty close here. Yeah,
yep,
about
and just
45 seconds.
45 seconds. Yeah, let's do it. And then for those that are watching along, it looks like we got Nick back in the house. Good morning, Nick. Good to see you. Looks like we got Andy in the chat. All right, guys. Awesome, man. Glad to see you here. Thank you for tuning in. Give us a like. Help us out. Make some comments. Also, comments down in the actual comment section help us. And let's see how this thing opens up. We got about 15 seconds.
Yeah, good to see you, Dick. Thanks for stopping by, dude.
Yeah, I did. Andy, did you just say vibration on air? Yeah, I did, man. That's what I did. That was me. Let's do it, man. Let's
Okay,
do it.
here we go, folks.
Let her rip. Yep, here it goes. Pew. Wow, sitting right. It opened up right into that resistance pocket, right above the VolPro Edge reaction resistance level. Let's see how it reacts to this extension DML up here on the 10K. Probably won't give a shit about it.
Dude, the data this morning was so bullish. Like durable goods was double estimates. Like
Wow. Yeah. As usual, I'm going to sit tight for the first few minutes. I usually don't like to get involved in this first bar because it's so crazy back and forth.
yeah, we're trading outside the value area high from yesterday as well. So we're moving out of the value area. So that bodes bullish for the market as well. If we can get a
Yeah.
dip back down into it, that would be a lovely buying opportunity. But
Yeah. I was hoping we get down closer to 30,000, but we'll see. It still could happen.
yeah, might be too much to ask today. But
Yeah. Well, and
ACH, brother, anything can happen.
that's right. That's right. Especially, yeah, if this looks like this extension DML so far on the 10K is being a little stubborn. Let's see. It's doing its job. Yeah, we're definitely trending up on the 10K. It's a little ugly. Don't have quite the structure that I would like to see, but man, this thing looks like it's going into a KLR if it stays down here. So that could give us a pullback.
Yep.
Let's see. It looks like we started a new bar on the 50K. Yep, and it's in congestion, so it could come back down. If the congestion playbook holds, yeah, we could take a trip down to as low as 29.9. That's the other side of the envelope on the 50K. I don't know with that information you gave though. I don't know if I see that happening, but it's in the tarot cards, as they say. That's what VolPro Edge is good at, is taking a look and giving us a good picture of where things could potentially go based on historical data, based on price action, based on all kinds of factors that I have no idea what they are, to tell you the truth. I just know that the soup works. Yeah, here we got a little bit of selling pressure. We do have a flash on the support, the VolPro reaction support level, and now we're below that, so that's going to be resistance.
Yeah, I'd love to see us come down into maybe test these DMLs on the 50K.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, at least middle of the envelope, I think.
Yeah, I would like to start buying.
And that's a deep, deep resistance pocket. Look at that last bar on the 50K. That's a
Hmm.
healthy pocket that we're being affected by, and so yeah, price should push down if
Starting to test that 30,000 now.
yep, yep, yep,
Get
and
close
big,
to
yeah,
it.
we got over 500 on the footprint for sellers. So yeah, definitely sellers are showing up and trying to have something to say about where this thing is going, which is good, man. I like it. I like that. I'd like I said, I wouldn't mind um, even down into 29,900 area, 870, 900. We may not get quite that far, but that would
If
be
we go
awesome.
if we go that low, that'd be a gift. I think.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
almost,
yeah.
yeah. I
You
don't
know,
know if
but
this 30,000 if this 30,000 holds.
right,
Although we got no DMLs on the 10K, but we do on the
nothing.
50.
Yeah, there is nothing holding this thing up on the 10K. So I mean, we'll see, man. We'll see what the people making all this noise, what they got to say about it. Yeah, we're still above 450 on the footprint, negative 450. So things are still looking like we still might want to search down just a little bit lower. And let's see, we're closing below the true average. Yeah, this is, oh, now we're over 700 just a second ago. Uh, and just so people know, the pressure I'm talking about is basically the ask volume minus the bid volume. So it's the delta between the ask and the bid shows us whether we got aggressive sellers, aggressive buyers, and that last bar closed at minus 738, which is a pretty healthy showing for sellers. And we started off in the negative again. So I think they're still here. Let's see. Let's see. They're battling it out around zero now. Okay. Yeah, let's see if this price action wants to go back outside this VolPro reaction support level, this blue line on the 10K.
It might not be done messing around at the bottom here. We might get another
Yeah,
tiny little flush, but I'm basically more or less expecting a rotation back to the top.
yeah, yeah. Well, we got two troughs we're dealing with here that we encounter. One at 29,950, which makes a lot of sense, and then there's another one down around 800, 811, 815 area. So yeah, 810, 820. So I think we might be looking for one of those. That would be nice. Either one would be great. Looks like the buyers are coming back in, pushing up a little bit. We'll see how much they get for their efforts. Yeah, yesterday, man, the sellers just would not go away. It was a lot of A lot of downward
Yeah.
pressure all day long. Just, we'll see if some of that carries over to today.
Yeah.
There we go. Just broke down through 30,000. We'll see if we stay there or if it pushes back up. All right.
If this 10K closes like it is,
Yeah.
I I might be in for some longs. We got some double cores on the oncoming, but we'll see how this 10K closes.
Right. 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 Yeah. Looks like the sellers are kind of waning now. We're down almost to zero. Yep. Now it just turned negative again. So it's kind of fighting around there. See if we get a push down at the end of this bar. No, someone's fighting to get it back up above 30,000 there.
Yeah.
Yeah, this might give us a good indicator, a little bit of a temperature check, for if the sellers from yesterday are still feeling strong, because
Hmm.
it appears that there's some will to keep this thing above 30,000, and if that fails, then yeah, we might be in for a pretty cool ride down, or if not, then we'll see. Coming up on the end of this bar, just a few hundred more contracts.
Yeah, about 350, 300, 200,
Out.
100. There we go. I
Yeah, we're above it. We're above those double
yeah.
cores on my screen, but
Yeah, we're above the double cores of mine too.
I don't know how that crossover, that resistance crossover is telling me I don't think this is done. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. I am no fortune teller, but
Just gonna stay patient for now.
yeah, it doesn't seem clear to me yet. Yep, 50K is marching down. We're coming up on the middle of the envelope there. Hmm. This looks like my version of the live stream is a little frozen up.
Hmm.
Let me refresh that and see what's up. There we go. Now I'm back. Oh, looks like we got some comments here. Oh, looks like Nick had a little sell on part of that pullback. Yep, and he says 950 is, yeah, that was what I was saying. Let's see, and Andy likes the 50 to 30 to 50 support zone. So yeah, those are on everybody's radar right now.
Yeah, those are super valid. I like. Not
I
that I'm
think
gonna
that,
jump in yet, but this 10K is starting to struggle to go lower a little bit. Let's see if it breaks or if we hold.
mm-hmm. Yeah, sellers are picking up a little bit of momentum though on the footprint, pushing between 350 and 400. So we'll see if that goes away. If that vanishes and we start popping up, then yeah, let's see how it behaves with these double cores right now. We're about halfway through this bar. So yeah, man, this could be setting up for a nice reversal. Let's see if it confirms it. I'm still interested to see how far this 50K is going to go in the congestion action. 'Cause yeah, on my screen it just passed the middle of the envelope here. So I know it looks like on yours it's right about there.
Right, Hmm. Yeah.
And for anybody watching that doesn't understand some of the terms we're using, we'll explain them just in a few minutes. It's just usually this first few minutes of the market, it gets a little bit intense for us to stop and explain it, but we will get back to it. I promise you.
Yeah. So we'll give you the VPE guarantee.
Right, right. We'll get out our
Um,
sharpest crayons and we'll explain it for you.
yeah. I'll get yeah. I'll get my helmet, my crayons out. We'll have a party.
Okay, it looks like yeah, Nick is saying he's got something indicating a going off to the downside on his side. So we'll see, man. It looks maybe these sellers are still hungry, from yesterday. That's always a possibility.
Yeah.
You know, like you said, it's our job to react to what they give us.
Yep.
We're not swinging big enough meat to influence this market one bit. So all we can do is react to it.
Yeah.
uh, I don't even know if they should ever give me that much responsibility. Even if I could, that that
Yeah.
could be that could be a bad thing.
If we come a little
Oh,
bit lower again, I might 'cause we're
yeah, we'll
almost through
see.
this whole 10K, and it
Yeah,
can't get anywhere. Well, it's back down now, but
yep, yep. Oh,
let's
gotcha.
see.
Okay. And Nick is specify, yeah, no confirmation for down in his system yet. So, yeah, and Andy says, yeah, it didn't confirm here for anything to the downside. It closed above that core DML. And yeah, this could be done going down. It could be as far as it wants to go. This right around, yeah, 950, 960. Let's see. Let's see what happens with this footprint here. Hmm. Nope. Here's sellers going back up again.
Yeah,
Pushing
it's
it
okay.
down, pushing it down. Yep. Hmm. Well, we'll just sit back and enjoy the ride.
Yep.
Although this certainly is not the elevator ride that we're used to with this market, with the downs. It's definitely getting friction. It's not going down easy.
Yeah. It's let me
This
see.
bar will close out the 50K, and we are on the below the middle of the envelope. So let's see how far down we go there before this next one would, potentially reverse back up toward the top. If all we have learned about congestion action is going to play out. All right. Yeah, we still got the VolPro reaction resistance level crossed over the middle of the envelope up above us there. Looks like some buyers are going to make a try.
If we come down to the 60s into the 50s, I might attempt to buy here. It looks like
Okay. Yep, there it is. There's 53, 51.
yeah, I just want to see this 10K
Yeah, I'm not
to a little
convinced. I
more.
think we're
To
I
a,
think we've got
yeah,
more to go.
I'm not sold yet, but I want to see. We've got a lot of core DMLs here on the 10K.
Yeah, and look at that line of extension DMLs, those hot pink ones down there. They're forming up a wall. They're
Yep.
they're starting to create some support. So yeah, for sure, it looks to be imminent. We just don't know what exactly when it's going to happen, but it's forming up to be some support down here right around 29.9, which again corresponds with the bottom of the envelope on the 50K. So things are lining up. The math is mathing. We just got to let it play out and see what happens. Another 1,200 or so, 1,300 contracts to go on the 10K. Yeah, these double cores and extensions are sure slowing it down, but the pressure is all down. Okay.
Oh, we're in a 50K pocket now too,
Sure are.
but no DMLs to hold us up, but it is a 50K pocket
Right.
right right here.
Yep.
I'll make a little visual for the viewers. Oh, this is the pocket right here, guys. This blue line right here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, come on. Jesus. There we go.
Yeah, and it looks like price action, yeah, on your screen is the price is below that, so that would make that, even though it's a support line, it becomes resistance. So we're trending down on the 10K and we're in congestion on the 50K. So to me, those are not they're not jiving. They're not speaking the same language yet. And we're sitting right at the bottom of our opening range. Let's see what's going on. And there's a little push down.
We've moved all the way across the value area now.
Mm-hmm.
Value area low is 940.
Gotcha.
So we've pushed right through it. So those sellers really pushed us through.
Yeah, yeah.
We've got a ton of support coming up. We have
Oh, look, we got Sammy in the chat. Woohoo! What's going on, Sammy? Good to see you, brother. Took time out of his busy schedule to come see us.
Sammy
Right.
Sosa.
Yeah. Yeah.
Guy went yard the other day
Oh,
for
yeah?
the division. Yeah. Went yard in the divisional chip game. Isn't that right, Sammy?
Wow. Good job, Sammy.
Kids on the road to Omaha, bud. National champ.
Right on, right on. That's a good
It's
thing to
actually
see.
it's a really big deal. I don't know if you know much
Mm,
about college ball, but
not a ton, but I know Sammy takes it pretty seriously. Yeah, let's do this. We got, man, look, buyers are trying to push this thing back up. I don't know. I don't know how much poop they've got, but this pushed up off of that core DML.
yeah,
Uh,
I might try a buy here.
yeah, this might be the spot, but let me see here. What do we got? Another 1,000 contracts to go. Oh, the wrench is long from 22.5.
Order canceled.
Wow. Holy cow, that is like dead ass bottom. Holy cow, he picked that right up off that DML, that core DML. Nice,
Yep.
nice. So obviously, yeah, Andy saw something.
Order filled.
And this is. Yeah, he's targeting right back up around. Just right around 30,000. Okay. So he's probably got some good size on there. Yep, yep, yep. Yep, confidence in that 50K pocket. You betcha. Nice, nice. This is gonna get pushed right up there. Look at that.
Yeah, I'm a little late to the party, but I got in at 960.
Okay, right at the close or the in the open,
Yeah.
right at the switch over. Yeah, that was a good spot, man. I missed it. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see how this reacts to 30,000, whether it, rips up there or hesitates. Look at that, man. The wrench.
Mhm.
Woo! Look at that. It's hesitating just a little bit here. It's gonna make you earn it.
Yep.
Ah, he closed at 95. Good trade, man. So 23, yeah, to 95. Little 70, 72 points there. Nice. That's a good way to start
I ju-
off the.
I just closed at 97.
Very good, gentlemen. Very good. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. And now we're back down.
Yeah, sorry. I mistake there. I was in from 956,
Uh-huh.
and I was targeting 30,000, and I got out at 96 half.
Nice,
Oh,
nice. Good job.
little 40 pointer.
Yeah, yeah. A little base hit.
Yeah, a little base hit.
Yeah, nothing to be ashamed of there. Base hits are good. Base hits are solid, you know. How about you, Sammy? You get a piece of that at all? Yeah, look at that, man. He picked that off I mean, like the dead ass bottom. What a call. That's why he's big wrench. Looks like we're pushing back down here. I don't know where we're going, but yeah. Yeah, you did. You got out right at the right time. You know, that thing only had I mean, literally, how many ticks more? I think it got up to 98. So yeah, you literally you only had a couple of points of room there to spare.
Yeah, completely by accident basically top ticked that because I was out at 97 half.
Nice. You just smelled it, didn't you? Or was that
Yeah,
you?
I just well, I just knew that 30. I just knew the 30,000 was going to be trouble. Like,
Right, right, right. That makes sense, man. You go. Anybody trading Nasdaq knows, right? Those round levels, those 50 levels, those are like sometimes, man. They're barriers. Let's see here. Are we gonna start some kind of an uptrend? I don't know. It's not looking very strong. Sellers are
yeah,
just not
don't worry about
giving
it,
up.
Sammy. Enjoy ball, dude. That shit only comes around once in a lifetime. Trading will always be here, dude.
Oh yeah,
You'll
brother. Yeah, no, you got time for multiple dreams to happen for you in life, buddy. You got you got a log. Take the baseball dream as far as you can go, man. 100%. 100%. Just don't forget about us small people when you get there. By the way, I haven't seen Cam around. Anybody seen Cam? What's he up to?
Yeah, he's been with his boyfriend.
Ah, yeah, there you go.
I don't know. I'm just kidding. I don't know. He was at he was at the Carolina game the other week, the hockey game
Nice.
with
Okay.
his
Very good.
girlfriend.
Very good, man. Looks like we're going into another little pocket here on the 10K. man. Gonna kick
Well,
that
the
ass.
funny story about that big wrench is like, I used to fuck bigger guys than him every time I went to prison. So
uh,
I fight guys like that on the way to fights, dude.
oh, oh man. Pull out that pocket. Make 'em trail you. uh, Here we go. Now, yeah, normally I would, I would say this is, just a pullback to the support area for a continuation of the upside. But the way these sellers have been behaving yesterday and today, I don't know, man. This has got me double thinking it.
Yeah, could be a bit messy here for a bit, but
Yeah,
you
yeah.
know, if we break this 30,000, it's I got no doubts we could push higher. The sellers are definitely going to try to defend it, but
Yeah, it looks like right now, yeah, buyers are pushing, but we'll see how far they get. I'll be right back.
we'll be here, dude. And if you're not back in a few minutes, we'll just wait longer. I don't know what else to tell you. Yeah, that was pretty good, wasn't it? That was all right. I do my best work before the noon hour, I'll tell you that. You can take that to the bank. Yeah, we're really struggling with that 30,000 level. I'm glad I didn't hang on to that for this fuckery. But hey, experience counts in everything, right? Chalk it up.
All right, I had to go get some more coffee, man. I was running out. That's a crisis.
Yeah.
Okay, well, it might be time too to circle back and give folks an explanation or a little bit of background on what they're seeing here. All this crayon art on the charts here.
All
Um,
right, folks. Let's get our
yeah,
helmets and our crayon. Let's get our helmets and our crayons and let's go to the drawing board, shall we?
yeah. Basically, a VolPro Edge, we like to use volume-based charts instead of time-based charts for the most part. Now, there are people who use time-based charts, but the rule of thumb is we got 50,000 volume on the top on the screen there, and we got 10,000 volume on the bottom. So these are basically based on the number of contracts because we believe that the actual action in the market or volume is more important than time passing. It doesn't matter if, 5, 10, 15 minutes, whatever. If you want to correlate them to time-based charts, because that's what you've got to work with, that's fine. The top would be the 1 hour and the bottom would be the 15-minute. So that gives you a kind of frame of reference. And all these different dots and lines, that's a proprietary indicator. It's called VolPro Edge, and that's what we use to basically help with probabilities and help understand and read the story that the market's trying to tell us. So um, yeah, there's a 14-day free trial over at volproedge.com. You can sign up for that, take the course, learn all about it in much more detail than we're able to go over here. But we'll give you little snippets here and there and show you why it works and why we believe in it. And yeah, there it looks like Nick just caught another 50 points going long. He's up about 120 for the day. Oh,
Nice.
nice. Locked out for an hour to settle the nerves. Good move, man. Good move, Nick. Um,
Yeah, good.
yeah, so basically
Solid.
these, yeah, the green lines, they got the solid green lines. That's called the envelope. The dotted green line in the middle is the middle of the envelope. Pretty simple. Um, right now we're in congestion action on the 50K. If you look at that top one there, and that's because the price closed below it a couple bars ago, then back above it, then below it. So it's going to basically tend to cycle back and forth until it exits congestion, either up or down. So yeah, and then the red line is the VolPro Edge reaction resistance level, and the blue one is the support level. So we know that basics is when the price is above those, they act like support. When the price is below them, they act like resistance. It's pretty simple. And yeah, so we'll keep cruising on. And if anybody has any questions or anything in the chat, please throw them out there. We'll be glad to explain them. But the best explanation though is in the course over there on the website, and because that's given by Andy, the creator of this indicator. Well, we call him Big Wrench, but yeah, he's the one who spent a lot of years and gaining knowledge and educating himself and learning how to do this. And he's the math whiz behind all of what you see here on the chart here.
Yeah, so that's yeah, I don't really have anything else to add to that. That was pretty good. But the only thing I do want to say to everyone out there is the free trial, guys. It's no strings attached. No, like you don't even have to put in your credit card information. Like it's our gift to you for 2 weeks. Come in and see what we're all about. This isn't your run of the mill typical internet furu type stuff. This is uh, like Rick said, from Andy Owens. He's multi-decade experience, trained under some of the biggest traders in the world. So this is not some gimmick bullshit, gotcha type shenanigans. I know it kind of looks like sorcery on the screen when you're not used to it, but once you understand how to speak the language, I mean, which doesn't, I'm not going to lie to you, it just doesn't just happen overnight. Like, you're not just going to come in here and on day three, you're just cranking out P&L like crazy. I mean, maybe you'll be an outlier. I would love that for you, but we're here to give you truth and reality. We're not here to sell you false hopes and dreams. Trading is, it's a journey. It's very hard work, but like anything else in life, if you're willing to pay for it, aka put the time and effort in, and
Mm-hmm. Amen.
usually you can have it.
Amen. Yeah, you notice no Rolexes here, no flexing. We're not and you'll also hear us talk a lot about the success of our trades and stuff in points, because points are what matter. Everybody's trading plan, everybody's place where they're at, experience level, risk tolerance, all those things are different. So what you make those points worth by your size will determine, one person can take two people can take the exact same trade, exact same points, and one person wins, $300, $400. Somebody else wins 5,000, 10,000. That's really just personal to you. But what matters is that you find the trades, that you find the opportunities and capitalize on the opportunities. And that's what we teach here, and that's what we're learning here, and that's what you're taking you along the ride to help find some of those prime opportunities. And there's no 5 point scalps, no, none of that going on here. I mean, you're welcome to do it. Go ahead, but we're basically, we're trying to find good prime opportunities, 1 to 3 a day, and trade solid plans, and go on about our day.
That's just it. That's just it.
Yeah.
So anyway, I said to the guy,
Yeah.
I don't know. I was just
uh, uh,
hey, Big Wrench. I heard you got in a fight last night, dude.
uh-oh. Tell me about it. What up? Let's hear about it.
Yeah, yeah, he beat the shit out of his dick.
Did it owe him some money?
Yeah, he was. Yeah, he's well. Yeah, that's a classic one. He was beating it like it owed him money.
Yeah. No mercy. No mercy. Oh man, this price is just, yeah, it's fiddle farting around here. It looks like it kind of
Well,
wants to be an uptrend, but it
it's
just has
it's
no
fighting.
no
It's
balls.
yeah, that's the 30,000 level. It's
Yeah,
giving us the guff here.
giving
But
us the old prostate check.
yeah, no courtesies, but
Yeah. Yeah, nice watch, Doc. All right. Let's see here.
dude, I forgot
What
to
up?
tell you.
Huh? What's
I
up?
took this. I went out with this chick last night,
Uh-huh, yeah.
and we went mini putting, right?
Okay, cool.
So this what fuck this broad's an absolute bitch, dude. I'll tell
Uh-huh.
you why. So we went with this other couple. It was like kind of like a double date.
Right, right.
So and like I don't know where this chick came from. She's just like fucking Tiger Woods.
Uh-huh.
But
You
you
smoking
know,
you?
I'm like, wait, you're actually trying? Like what? I've whatever. So she goes, oh, if you get it in this hole, like whatever, like I'll I'll let you kiss me or shit like that, right?
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
And I'm just like, you should have seen this fucking hole, dude. It was worse than it was worse than Happy Gilmore. Like the elevation, think you're in
Right.
goddamn Colorado. Like you couldn't pick the last hole with the fucking PVC pipe right directly into it. Like
Right, right, exactly.
I don't know. To me,
That was
that's
on purpose.
selfish. Someone
That
someone who
was
just
on
wants to
purpose.
set you up for someone. Yeah, someone just wants to set you up for failure. Like fuck you,
Oh.
lady. Yeah.
Nice. So what did you make it?
Did I make it?
Yeah, did you make it? Did you make the shot?
No, I told you it was.
Uh, oh man. Good stuff. Well, wow, we got a nice push from buyers here now, decisively pushing it past 30K. So now let's see, man. Let's see where this goes. You're definitely back to the top of the envelope here for our congestion. Will it exit? We got this bar to tell us if it's going to exit or if it's going to stay in congestion for a little longer. And on the 10K, we are still trending up. Maybe we want to come back to middle of the envelope or something around right just below 30,000 again. Although once it goes back down, it might have a hard time getting back out of there again. You know, going back here under 30,000 is kind of like go back sex. It's dangerous, man. You might not get out.
Yeah.
uh, what the hell here? What the hell, Clyde?
Yeah, we pushed right out of that 50K pocket
Yep,
with no
yep,
with no DML too, so that's pretty good.
yeah.
My guess is we grind to the upside here, back
Mm-hmm.
to 3100, but we'll see what we
That's,
get.
it's looking that way. You know, the previous bar closed on the dead high just above that core DML on my screen.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like it's right at it on yours, somewhere in there. And then, yeah, we had just a tiny bit of pullback, and then, you know, we'll see where this goes now. But, you know, usually when those bars close on a dead high like that, I guess in candlestick world, that would be, you know, no wick, but we don't use those candles around here. We don't need those. We don't need no stinking candles. But yeah, closed on the dead high there, and we'll see how much strength they got. That last bar was about 650 on the footprint. All buyers. So we might be pushing back here to get a little bit of support and then push back up. But what the hell do I know?
Oh, part of me's part of me's tempted to try this 30,000 level, but we
hmm
got I don't know.
Yeah, for me, I'm not sold on. Depends on how high if this gets up to. Yeah, because we're also forming. We're right now. We're just about to form a resistance pocket on the 50K. So I don't know, man. I don't know. It's kind of in the middle ground for me. It looks like it wants to push, but I'm waiting for these two to agree with each other. But you do you, man. You got your trading plan. You gotta execute what you know.
Oh, I'm not so like it's most likely that we grind up, but I don't think it's like a prime.
Yeah.
I don't think it's a prime opportunity.
All right. It's not prom night with a varsity cheerleader.
Yeah.
uh, let's do it. Yeah, we are still stuck right here around that, just above 30,000. There's a good push. Yeah,
Oh well,
everybody
there we
showed
go.
up. Yeah, someone
Something
showed
must
up.
have happened.
Party. Yeah, we got some
That
news
doesn't
or
just
something.
happen random. Yeah, there's news guaranteed.
Something ripped.
Guaranteed. Yeah.
Whoa. God,
Should have
God
taken
bless
that
you.
long after all. For
Yeah,
fuck's
good.
sakes.
God bless you if you jumped in on that long. Oh my goodness. Yeah, over 1100 on the
Jesus.
buying
I'm
on the
just waiting for
footprint.
it to hit my news feed here.
Yeah, something happened. Nice. Wow. If you were lucky enough to get caught up in that, good on you.
Why
Now it
is
looks like
it
it's
not
pushing down
going
just as
down?
hard now. There's definitely a reaction. There's some there's a mosh pit somewhere.
Do you have your charts like really like stretched out where like small moves seem really big?
I don't know. I don't know how to answer that, but yeah, no,
Uh,
I have mine a little bit skinnier than yours and a little bit more stretched out so that I see more relative movement. But yeah,
oh, that's why the moves are a little more animated to you.
yeah.
That's why. Just because sometimes you'll comment on a move and it'd be like, I mean, we only moved like 7 points. Yeah,
No,
so
no.
you got to be stretched out. Your
Little
scales
bit,
will
yeah,
be
because for me, if I squish it down too much and all the DMLs get so close together, I can't tell where price is actually at. You know what I mean? It's too general. So like um, I have my closes a little bit skinnier than like how you have yours the same width as your bars. Mine are a little skinnier because I like to know. Sometimes it's I want to know if it closes above or below a certain DML, or I want to know if it, a little bit more accurately. So I've tried to dial it in a little bit so I can actually see in between the DMLs and see what's going on. So yeah, I like to have a little bit
okay.
more.
Here it is. Here it is, folks. Breaking news.
What is it?
U.S. and Iran war is over. They've reached a deal.
Ah, again.
That'll do it.
Oh,
But
let's
hey,
see
there's a
here.
caveat. There's a caveat. My bad. There's a caveat.
Okay,
It need
okay.
it needs uh it needs Donald Duck's approval first.
Mm, mm. Yeah, they want his ball print on it.
Yeah,
Wow.
he knows more than everybody. He's the greatest ever
Right.
to do it.
Never been a better one.
Yeah, never better. Shut
Right.
the fuck up.
Wow. Well, we definitely got a new high there, but that's about it. Not a. And now we're pushing back down to that support level on the 10K. Looks like maybe.
What do we got here? Oh,
A lot of selling
the
pressure
market
still on
what
the footprint.
the market was a little getting a little dull there until that happened.
Yeah, yeah. I'm all for it, man. Give me some volatility. I'd like to be, find something to get involved with. But
Yeah, looking for a dance partner.
oh, heck yeah, man. Always, always. But just like everyone else, I got to type. Not just anyone. I don't want
I
to dance
got
with
I
just
got a
anyone. I
type.
got to type.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, my trading plan is probably a lot skinnier than yours is as far as what things I'm willing to take and what things I'm not and stuff like that. I'm still tweaking it, still working it and developing it, but for now, yeah, I'm good to sit here and watch this and see what happens. I
try,
mean,
try try to stay away from the try to stay away from the Mrs. Doubtfire situations, eh?
oh yeah, well, you always got to do a package check. You always got to. In today's world, you got to, man. Yeah, yeah. We ain't having no weenie roast around here. uh,
Gotcha.
yeah, right. Could this thing hit this middle of the envelope on the 10K and then just push back up? I don't know. The rest of the structure looks pretty bullish, um, but the fact that it came up here and stopped right around 200 tells me that there's some, and it looks like we've got some congestion and core DMLs up there. So there's some kind of resistance building up there. So I don't know, man. And sellers are trying to push it down again. Um, it's not going down easy. Are you typing there, Big J?
Yeah, I was typing. I
Oh,
was
okay.
I was typing.
I don't know. Those keys sound a little moist.
No, they're dry as a bone, bud.
uh,
This
oh,
is this is the workstation, dude, not the fuck station, all right? Like,
oh,
come
gotcha.
on,
You gotta have your
come
shit
on.
straight,
Yeah, come on, dude.
right? Like you're some kind of amateur or something,
Yeah. What, you think it's my fucking first day?
right? Right? What, a fucking new guy?
I worked on race cars, all right?
Have you seen my baseball? Oh, shake and bake, baby, shake and bake. Man, there's part of me that wants to get along here at this middle of the envelope, but there's just too much resistance up top. I don't want to grind for 45 minutes for 30 points. And I can't count on being lucky enough to get another fucking news pulse here. It's either that or wait about 10 minutes and then go short for the, oh, sorry, it's not approved. We're back at it.
Yeah.
We're going after the gays and the straights of Hormuz, both. Oh. Yeah, we are stuck here now. We're just like grindy, grindy, grindy.
Yeah, I don't until we come a bit lower. Actually, well, we're at the top of the opening range right now.
Mm-hmm. Sure are.
We're just over 50% of this 50K. We couldn't really we're losing ground instead of making ground. Doesn't mean that we won't go
Mm.
back up, but 50K pocket as well. Couldn't
Yeah,
hold the
well, in this current,
extension as of right now.
yeah, this current bar has been all about coming back down, pulling back.
We have taken off from this level though twice before, like just in real recent history. So
Mm-hmm.
about 10 minutes ago and about 15 minutes ago we took off. Yeah. So we'll see.
Yeah, we've got a peak right around 67, which would line up with this congestion DML on the 10K right here at the bottom of the envelope here.
Mm-hmm.
That's a peak from where we pushed down last time. And yeah. So yeah.
Where are we? This is the. Yeah, we're messing with the Asia high right now. We're still above value area, so that's good.
hmm I mean, if we're going to stay in the 50K, if it's going to stay in congestion now that it rejected that extension DML, we could be heading back down to the 900s.
I don't think that's gonna happen, but maybe we'll see. That'd be a lot of market structure lost for that to happen. But I mean, I guess it
Yeah,
could.
never know. Be right back.
You never know. Yep. Oh man. Yeah, guys, I don't really see anything prime right now. It's kind of. I mean, we could rotate back up from here, but we got the core on the 10. We got oncoming double cores, but I don't know. This 50K looks like it's losing steam and it's in a pocket. Don't really like it too much. It's not that it can't go up. It's just I don't know if I want to take part in that. Unless this 10K starts showing a reversal sign. But even
Right,
still, I don't know.
right. You guys still enjoying some sunny weather up there in old Canada?
Yeah, we had our 2.5 days of summer. We're just getting ready for fall now.
Oh,
Should
okay. Yeah, it's
yep,
all over. It's done.
yeah, it's all over, dude. That's it. You blink and you miss it.
Oh man, I don't know how you do it.
Yeah, me neither. No, dude, we have full summer's about to take full effect here, so
Nice,
we'll be all right.
nice. You got out your pool floaties and stuff yet?
Yeah, my banana hammock too.
Oh, good lord. Little Borat action. The mankini. Oh shit. My sister is number 2 prostitute in Kazakhstan. Let's see here. Yeah, we'll push back up. Yeah, we got the same weather we always have, man. 80, 85. I think it's like 82 right now. So in Celsius, what is that? Like 30? Dead ass 30, something like that.
Something like that.
Yeah. So it's rinse and repeat. It's another day. Wife took the dogs for their daily walk along the beach.
What is that in the mornings?
Yeah, they like to get out and go sniff around and see what's going on and before the town wakes up.
Yeah.
We're in kind of a little party surf town here, and so yeah, the mornings are quiet usually. Not so much with the nights.
Oh. Well,
Let's see.
if we get a decent close on this current 10K, we
Uh-huh.
could look, and we're back outside the opening range. We could potentially be a long situation.
Yeah, I see the rejection of that core DML on this bar that we're at. And so, yeah, I mean, if this closes right around like here, we would be creating a, looks like maybe some kind of a resistance pocket to push up off of. Be like a kind of like a reversal, although it's not much of a trend to reverse, but it would definitely make the 50K exit out of congestion and get past that extension DML and cruise on up. But then look at that oncoming though, 50K. If we're
Yeah,
wrong,
we got
that's
the double
that
cores up
KLR.
there.
Yeah, that KLR and the double cores, that could also signal the another pushback down. So I think I'm gonna sit out and wait and watch and see, let it develop like a Polaroid picture. What's going on in the world of hockey there, Big J? I know you said playoffs were happening
Uh,
and
yeah, there's nothing really exciting right now.
no,
Vegas has already punched their ticket to the finals,
gotcha. Okay.
and Carolina beat Montreal last night, so they're up 3-1 in the series. There's one more. Montreal has to win three straight. If they lose one
Oh,
more, they're done.
okay. So this could be an all US final, huh?
Yep.
Oh shit. Yeah, man, I got a lot of friends back in Vegas that are probably pretty happy that they're yet again going to be in the finals.
Well, their first year in the league, they went all the way.
Yeah, yeah. Well, they bought themselves a hell of a team, you know. Yeah, I wasn't too into it. I left right about when that was happening. Everybody was all excited about it coming and whatever. And I like live hockey. Don't get me wrong, but yeah, I never had a chance to get too much into it because then I was gone.
Hmm.
And I didn't want to be one of those posers, wearing all the gear and stuff, and I've never even seen a game.
Yeah, I hear you.
uh, so yep, that train left or arrived at the station after I left. Man, we're about to close this thing up here, up into this resistance pocket. I don't know, man, and we're above the 30,000. It's gonna have to pull back for me to get involved in this party.
I'm gonna try a long, not right now. If I can get a little bit better price, I'm gonna.
About 120, 115-ish, maybe. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Because it looks like now there's a little bit of room opened up. If you look at the oncoming DMLs and stuff, there might be some room for a move up now. But yeah. Huh. I don't know. It looks like over on the day trading chat, Andy said he wasn't able to comment on the stream for some reason. So I wonder if you got comments turned off on accident.
No, I haven't touched nothing.
Hmm.
Yeah, it should be.
And I don't have a comment thing up either when I pull it up. So I don't know how that works on your end there.
Ooh, I
You
wonder.
gotta make sure and turn comments on.
That's not even in my control.
It's not?
No,
Hmm. We'll have to take a
because
look at that.
it's just like a proxy connection through OBS. So I don't have I don't have that I don't have that power.
Huh, I thought whoever was doing the stream could turn them on or off
Well,
depending on.
well, I'm not on the actual YouTube channel. I'm just doing it through a proxy connection. Like I don't have remember how I all that
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
two factor authentication shit that we ran into.
Right,
So
Okay.
I'm just
You
doing it
figure it
through
out.
OBS. So I don't have that power. But I
Hmm.
wonder, I mean, I checked the box that said this show's not for kids. So I don't know if like language or certain topics have anything to do with it.
Oh, that wouldn't affect comments, but because I've seen the comments enabled before, so there's something. We'll have to take a look at it
Something's
after
going
we're
on
done.
then.
Yeah, we'll take a look at it.
Yeah, because I haven't done anything different. So
Oh, Sammy answered our question, by the way, earlier. Looks like Cam has been busy with baseball as well. Pretty sure that he thinks they went to the World Series there. That's awesome. I'll have to take a look and see if I can look that up and find it. We got some sellers stepping in here. If they push this down to like 120s, it might be interesting. But again, I don't like the oncoming. And it's taken so long to get here. I don't trust it. We got KLRs on both the 10K and the 50K setting up here. So, and this is, yeah, but both bars are going to start new. If they both start below this price on the KLR, that could mean we've got another big down push coming.
Yeah, let's see.
That might be the short, might be the short, might be the play here. I don't know.
I definitely wouldn't be short, really. I mean, not that it can't go down, but like with the news that just came out and everything, and
True.
the daily bars, it made a huge push from the lows. Like,
Right. Well, we'll know here in a couple thousand contracts. We will get the answer to our question.
Order filled.
Yeah, see, if we didn't have minus 400 on the footprint here, I would think about
Order
maybe a
canceled.
long, but news, thank you. Oh, man, what you gonna do?
Order filled.
Well, we got the first hour down. And we really didn't go, we just a few points below the bottom of that opening range. So yeah, definitely still feels pretty bullish, but the structure of VolPro Edge says we might get some pressure to go back down.
Order filled.
yeah,
Wow. Yep. We're pushing up to 600, minus 600 on the footprint there for 550. Less than 1,000 to go. 700. Let's see what cooks up. Both of these are gonna pop into support pockets. When these new bars start printing.
yep.
Yep, there they are. Okay, yeah, we did not get the KLR on the 10K, but we did get it on the, or something similar on the 50K. But look at that crossover on the support on the 50K. That VolPro reaction support level crossed over the middle of the envelope there. So yeah, that's kind of canceling out that KLR, those DMLs a little bit, I think. I think we might want to push up here. Now that I see it, and it fell apart on the 10K.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm more bullish than
Mm-hmm.
downside, but here we go.
I don't know. I don't know if I believe in it enough to throw my money in the ring, because we rejected so hard off of the high at that point when it got there, right up around 185, 190.
Yeah.
Order filled.
What is this here? We got 099.
Order
Yeah, maybe
canceled.
around 100 might not be a bad long back up to the high.
We
I
just
don't like
died.
it.
Like we got no juice. Like it's just
Yeah, yeah, zero. Zero juice factor. No momentum. Yeah, man, this is a yep, that was a missed opportunity for me. I missed out on the one thing that we had going. It's all right. Sometimes that happens.
yeah.
Man, this is just stuck here. Not a whole lot going on, man.
Nope.
Oh,
We'll just have to wait it out.
right, right. So you got any plans for the weekend coming up, man?
Nah, weekends are shit for me. I gotta go. I work Saturday and Sunday. And,
Oh, that's right. Yeah, yeah. You got
uh, yeah, weekends don't mean shit to me.
got to go suck off the man, don't you?
Yeah, unfortunately. Uh,
Oh, it's all right, man. It keeps food on the table. Man,
I can't believe how dead this is right now. It's just going nowhere.
right, right. So do you watch any other sports besides hockey?
No, I barely even watch hockey to be honest with you. Like I'm not. I tune into the playoffs and shit, but I don't. I'm not.
Right. Oh, you don't even watch
I'm not really.
your beloved Leafs games?
No, I didn't this year because they were so fucking bad.
Oh,
Can't
really?
even watch. Yeah, they were so terrible.
Really? Do they have a history of being kind of shitty, or is this just a weird time
No,
they're in?
dude, we had nothing but superstars the last fucking 6, 7 years. They just choke every time in the playoffs. But this year, they were first regular season for the last 3 years, first place,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and then just can't get past the second round. This year, didn't even make the playoffs.
Wow.
Yeah,
Pretty disappointing, huh?
yeah, that's the way it goes.
Right, right. Let's see here.
Yeah, no juice.
Nothing. It's a big nothing burger. Speaking of burger, what are you gonna have for lunch? Have you figured that out? You usually have lunch plans formulating about now.
Probably. I don't know. I'm not sure. Today it's weird. Even though this market's been shitty today. Well, not like shitty, but hasn't really been that happening. And
Right.
I've just been zoned in. I haven't really been able to think about anything else at the moment. But
Gotcha.
I don't know. I'm trying not to. I'm trying not to think about food too much these days. I'm trying to.
How's that working out for you?
Well, it's all right. It's just such a because I went through a phase where I just see it, you eat it, or you think about it,
Uh,
you just do it. I
yeah,
just got to
that's
get out of
that's
that habit.
seafood diet.
Yeah, the seafood diet.
Like a goddamn goat.
Yep. Yeah, just grazing all day. Yeah.
Yeah,
Uh,
this price action is just
yeah, it's painful.
yeah, this is like
It's
sloppy. This is sloppy
definitely
like drunk.
painful.
This is like drunken head. It's just sloppy as hell.
It's-
uh, oh man.
yeah, this is pretty boring in the last 15, 20 minutes at least.
Yeah, we're just
I mean,
not
I think we grind higher, but it's
right. It's
gonna
a
be
question
just
of
a
when.
slow bullshit higher.
Question of when. This is one of those things where I'll get tired and log off or whatever, and then 45 minutes later, something will break and it'll be a massive,
Oh, I
like
know. Every time.
epic climb.
Yeah,
New
every
all-time high.
time.
And it's like, yeah, thanks a lot.
Yeah, fuck. Yeah, I know. There's just not much.
No more news to talk about. Anybody saying anything? Let's see what's on here.
Not really. Trump asked for a few days to think about the deal.
Right.
Oh, we're gonna push higher here.
Yeah, it does look like it.
Oh, yeah. I didn't like that. Didn't really like that. The last 50K bar that didn't hold the extension, and
Hmm.
50K pocket, resistance pocket, and the market was so grindy and slow. I mean, yeah, we had extremely bullish news, which should have been a given, but
Right.
in the moment, I just didn't. I was like 50-50, and I don't know, 50-50 is not good enough for me.
Right. Yeah, we don't flip coins around here.
Yeah. I wonder what's going on with the chat. I don't know. Let me log on here and see.
Yeah, it's not the chat, it's the
Like the
comments, yeah, down below.
yeah, that yeah, the
Yeah.
oh the what you the call is it the chat box that can't or
No,
the
the chat
comment?
works fine. He was able to chat just fine, but it's the comments down below the description. There's not even a bar for it. Like
Oh.
on my screen, it doesn't even show it's possible. Like they're turned off.
Oh, weird. I have no clue.
Hmm. Yeah, we'll have to figure that out
So,
after the show today.
yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the market's really struggling to get I thought we were gonna
anywhere.
launch there. Yeah, we're just stuck in this little range pocket here, 180 to 100 basically.
Hmm.
You still doing your you still doing your Spanish lessons?
Yeah, a little bit here and there. Yeah, still trying. You know, it's been quite the journey, man. Quite the journey because you're also dealing, especially here, with it's not like there's just one set of structure and there's people from all over the world. So there's versions of Spanish all over the place. So you hear different words, different usages, different grammar, different everything all over the place. So it's really, it's been a cool challenge for sure. But yeah, there's people from all over the world here. They, this is, for a while this was called, the Switzerland of Central America, and it seems like,
Yeah,
we get like there's a lot of Canadians down here. There's a lot of Europeans down here, South Americans. Everyone's here, and so friends. I got friends from all over the world down here, and so yeah, everybody kind of has their own way of saying things. So just when you think you're learning something, and then somebody else comes along with a whole different way of saying it, and then you feel like it makes progress hard to feel. You don't feel like you're making a lot
yeah.
of headway, but
So there's
me growing up,
actually
good.
so in Spanish there's actually like a bunch of different dialects then. Like it's not
Oh,
all
just like English. Yeah, yeah, it's the same.
yeah.
People have accents, people have phrases and words that only get used in certain countries, and other ones do use completely different ones. So it's all it's yeah, it's I mean, I can get by. I can go all day and not speak English if I need to, but it's definitely one of those things that is like to feel completely fluent and like you can listen to any conversation and hear what's going on. Yeah, it takes a little bit of effort, but it's fun. It's good.
Right on.
But yeah, so it's been quite the journey. Especially getting older. It gets harder to learn stuff. When you're young, you soak up everything in 10 seconds, and having spoken mainly one language most of my life, it's definitely opening up your brain to try to take in another language. But and that being mostly from the Southwest United States, um, grew up around Mexican Spanish. But yeah, that's
Well,
a whole nother
you're
brand than what.
speaking you're speaking mostly fluent policeman, right? Policeman English.
Right, 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 right. Yeah, that was 20 years of it. Yeah, for sure. But yeah, no, it's been definitely interesting. And what's funny is I tried to learn a little bit then too, and it was, I didn't really do that well. But once moving here, yeah, definitely it gets reinforced every day and get opportunities to practice it all the time. But yeah, I can go to the store, I can go to the bank, I can conduct business and do okay. But um, yeah, and it definitely it helps to keep in practice for sure.
Yeah.
But you'd be amazed at it's just like in English though. Think about like even in Canada, dude, the newfies are supposedly speaking English, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
But people in British Columbia, people in the middle, people in Toronto, people in Montreal, people in Newfoundland, they all kind of have their own, I'm sure, way of saying things and way of talking about things if they're more city people or rural. So it's the same thing in Spanish.
Yeah. Right on.
Yeah, Costa Rica has a lot of it's funny, a lot of their sayings have to do with agriculture stuff, and farming and donkeys and whatever, and chickens, and it's a lot of stuff from the rural areas because that's how much they spend a lot of time in that way.
Sounds riveting.
Mm. Yeah, yeah, I still don't get a lot of them. The humor a lot of times is lost on me still. I get a few jokes here and there, but I think that's the last part you pick up in any language is humor. Because you don't know if they're being serious or if they're being sarcastic. So I find myself a lot of times, what are you talking about? Why all of a sudden were you talking about a chicken or talking about a whatever? And it's like, oh yeah, no, that's you know,
He's fucking with me.
yeah, 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 yeah. Like one of the ones I learned, it's so funny. Like in Spain, right? instead of telling you to like fuck off like we do in English, they'll tell you to go fry asparagus. Like that's basically what they tell you to do. Like go fry asparagus. And it took me the longest time. I'm like, what the fuck does this have to do with frying asparagus? Like, but I guess it's just, go do something useless is basically what they're telling you, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's stuff like that. Like that's an example of like, the stuff that, if you literally translate the words, it means absolutely nothing. But to them it means basically go fuck off. Go do something useless.
Yeah.
Uh so yeah,
Yeah.
fun
This
stuff.
market really this market really sucks, guys.
Yeah,
It's
yeah, this
it
is
just
ground down to almost nothing, man. No range, no
unless
activity.
unless you were in from something from before, there's no reason to be participating here. The market's got no juice. It's not
Hmm.
going anywhere. Could it break out to the upside a little bit? And I don't mean in a powerful way, but could it go higher? Yeah, it
Yeah,
looks that
certainly
way,
could.
but it's just
Certainly could. But it is
could
not
also get
showing it
knocked
right now.
it get knocked back down just as easy. I mean, we got previous New York high at looks like 194. So I mean,
Yeah.
that's going to be a battle within itself.
Well, just look at your 10K, man. You got all those extension DMLs lined up along the bottom, and then you got core and other extension DMLs lined up across the top. It's really kind of in a funnel right now. Nowhere to go. So it'll take another news event or something else to try to spark something to happen. Maybe another sell-off or profit taking will push it to the downside, and it'll react.
Yeah.
But being up here this high, I don't know. I don't know what to do. Doesn't look like there's much to do.
I'm not seeing anything, that's for sure.
Nope. Oh,
Move of the day was from the lows here.
yeah,
Yeah, that was perfect.
yeah,
Push
yeah. And it
up.
sounds like looks like Andy caught some of that. Nick caught some of that. You caught some of that. So that was a
Yeah,
good.
I had something like 40. It wasn't like a monster trade or anything. It was like 40, 43 points or something like that.
Right,
Good
right,
little, just a little quick rip. A little quick rip for the boy.
right, right. Now we're just pressed up against this ceiling here, this high, this right under 200.
Yeah.
Wow.
What do we got here? Iran Supreme Leader has not accepted a memorandum of understanding with the U.S.
Hmm.
What a joke. What a
Yeah, yeah,
joke.
yeah. So now we'll float down 200 points. Baron, full port your account. We're going for it.
Dude, I saw an article or where was it?
Mm-hmm.
Was it
Tell me
like a
about it.
little I don't know, somewhere I saw something somewhere, I forget. But basically there's some pretty interesting and timely trades made by people around Trump.
Oh, no doubt, dude. No doubt.
Like it's like they showed the evidence and it was just like blatantly obvious.
Oh, huge positions, right? Like,
Yeah, like double normal contract volume 8 minutes before the announcement, like that type of shit.
yep, yep. Yeah, no doubt. But you know what? They've been getting people on both sides have been getting away with that forever, to some extent or another. It just seems like it's a little bit more out in the open in public right now. Look, we're challenging that high
Yeah,
now. We might push up a little bit
yeah,
higher now. But yeah, no, it definitely is definitely a thing. I just think they're losing their shame in hiding it now. It's just like right out there, like, yeah, we know, we don't care. Suck it.
yeah. Who knows? Yeah. Yeah, looks like we're gonna be waiting for an afternoon move, if there even is one, because we're super extended. Well, not super extended, but there's just nothing on the table right now. This is, yeah.
Yeah, there's not a lot of fruit on this vine, man. I don't know. Do we want to wrap it up for the day or what? What do you want to do?
Oh
I
yeah,
mean,
I
it's a
mean
little bit early.
it's 11. It's 11. Yeah, we're a little bit early, but I mean this market is just cooked.
Yeah,
I
yeah. I mean,
know. I mean,
we can't.
I really don't expect anything material to happen in the next 15 minutes.
Okay, well,
15
yeah, man.
20
It looks
minutes.
like you know, for those that stuck around, we appreciate it. And again, if you haven't already, head over to volproedge.com, sign up for the 14-day free trial. Take a look at the course there. It's a course that's included with the trial, so you get access to all the information. There's nothing hidden behind a paywall there. So you just gotta take a look at it, try it out, see if it might fit into your plan or not. And yeah, I mean, we'll be around. I'll probably stick around at least a little bit in the day trading chat over there and see what happens. But this will definitely move to the background. You got anything else, Jay?
No. I mean, we what we called earlier did happen. I mean, we waited for the
100%.
pullback to the bottom, waited for the bottom. Well, waited for it to show us the bottom. Sorry, and we rotated back to the top. That's what we were waiting for the whole time. So,
Right. That's what we do.
patience paid. I didn't catch the whole move. I caught a portion of it, but hey, you're
Hmm.
not gonna capitalize fully on them all the time. But that news
Right.
certainly helped. But yeah, we came, we conquered. We certainly didn't get our asses kicked. So
Nope. Nope.
chalk that up as a win.
All right then. Cool deal. And we'll be back tomorrow for sure. We'll see. We try to be on about 15 minutes before the open and give an overview of what we kind of see coming and go from there. And hope you guys will come back and see us then.
Yep. You
All
don't gotta
righty.
go home, but you can't stay